In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable comments moderation in WordPress. Setting up comment moderation is essential for maintaining the quality and integrity of discussions on your website. Whether you're running a blog, a business site, or any other type of online platform, you want to ensure that the comment section remains a valuable and respectful space for interaction. So, let's walk through the steps to enable comment moderation on your WordPress site. First, you'll want to access the discussion settings on your WordPress dashboard. This is where you'll find all the options related to how comments are managed on your site. Navigate to your WordPress dashboard, usually found in the side menu after you log in. From here, look for the Settings option. Once you click on Settings, a drop-down menu will appear. Within this menu, you'll see the option labeled Discussion. Go ahead and click on Discussion to proceed. Now that you're in the discussion settings, it's time to focus on the most crucial part of this setup, enabling manual comment approval. Scroll down to the section labeled Before a Comment Appears. Here, you'll see a few options that control how comments are published. The key setting to enable full moderation lies here. Comment must be manually approved. You'll want to check this box. By doing so, you're setting up a system where all incoming comments must be reviewed and approved by you or someone you trust before they become visible to the public. This step is vital as it allows you to control the quality of comments displayed on your site and prevent spam or inappropriate content from appearing in your comment sections. As you're setting this up, it's also beneficial to understand why manual approval can be a powerful tool for your website. By vetting comments before they go live, you're fostering a safer and more engaging community where discussions remain on topic and constructive. You can filter out spam, prevent trolls from interrupting meaningful conversations, and keep your site a welcoming space for users and contributors alike. Once you've checked that box, make sure to scroll down and click on the Save Changes button to ensure that your adjustments are applied. It's always good practice to double-check that any settings changes, including these, are saved to avoid any oversight. Taking these steps will put you in control of the content displayed in your comments section, creating a better experience for your readers and subscribers. Remember, comment moderation isn't about stifling freedom of expression. It's about maintaining a respectful and relevant discussion environment. So there you have it, a straightforward way to enable comment moderation on your WordPress site. Keep managing your comment section effectively and enjoy the enhanced interaction and community spirit on your platform.